Chapter 59. My forehead splashes into the toilet bowl and bumps porcelain. Water rushes loudly around my ears. I force my head backward and am suddenly standing tall, rivulets dripping into my ears and down my neck. I'm all alone, heaving and blubbering, but won't open my mouth. Can't let that water get into my mouth. Shivering, I splash water from the sink onto my face and neck. There are no paper towels, so I walk out of the bathroom dripping. I hear a gasp and turn. "David?" Mr. Mallow says. I'm staring at my science teacher and my entire class standing behind him. Sophie's hand is clamped over her mouth. The big guy shakes his head. "Sorry, kid, I tried." But I don't hear another word. My vision blurs and I take off, my sneakers squeaking down the hallway. A boy twirling a hall pass turns to look at me. I run down the stairs and towards the means doors. "Hey!" a deep voice calls. "Stop!" I keep running. Past the doors into the blaring sunshine, beyond the car line. They see me. They all see me dripping. I guess I'm not that funny kid in the videos anymore. I'm not an internet phenom or a celeb in the newspaper. I'm just wet, humiliated Lamberg. I trick up on a crack in the sidewalk and windmill my arms. I feel like I did when I knew I was going to fall into the pool this summer. But I don't fall. I run. Past the crossing guard, past a lady walking her dog, past houses and bushes and mailboxes. I run until I'm home, out of breath and fumbling with my key. Dad's car is gone. Bubby's car is gone too. Inside, it's quiet. Everything looks the same, but feels different. I charge upstairs to the bathroom, and once I'm locked inside, I sink to the tile floor and weep.